I just stumbled upon a reel, and then
Uh,
I we are going.
Distracted.
So I have not showed it to them. I have watched it before a lot of times because I found it very interesting. So I'm gonna show them the reel for the first time, and I just want to see how they react to it.
Yeah,
Let's
let's
see.
watch it.
1800 के 2 रैंड तूने अपने अपने बाल भी डाई कराए, अपनी माँ रंडी कोठे वाली माँ के भी बाल डाई कराए। रांड 1800 के 2 बिल्ले सिक्किम में बोल रही थी मेरे पति को, क्यों तेरा बाप भिकमंगा भिखारी है? एंड यू डेयर कम इन टच विद माई हस्बैंड।
I don't care about your husband. That is what you need to understand. I don't care about you. You need to leave my floor. I'm so done with your shit.
First, you say कि Ajay is your Rakhi brother.
Why would I say that? He's so fucking ill. Why would I say that? He's uncle. You need to understand you're an auntie.
First, you say he is your Rakhi brother. Say.
I don't care about you, your husband, your family, nobody. And you should not be the one bothering me from now onwards.
जो आधे आधे बाल तूने सिक्किम में भी डाई कराए थे, है ना?
Auntie, why do you care?
तू सिक्किम
Why do you care?
तुम्हारे पीछे सिक्किम गई थी? तू राखी ब्रदर तेरे मुंह से नहीं निकल रहा, तेरे सड़े हुए रंडी मुंह से नहीं निकल रहा। सच बोल दे, बोल अजय मैं राखी ब्रदर, बोल 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 दे, बोल मुंह से नहीं निकल रहा। क्यों तूने ब्लाउज खोलना अभी नीचे आके पूड़ियां बनाने के लिए?
Auntie, please go. You need to
अगर
understand.
तू
You
अजय
need to
से
understand.
No, why-
You
why-
need to understand.
तू अजय को राखी
You have been doing this since the very beginning. You need to understand.
I saw you in Sikkim, my dear.
Acha, and you went with him in wherever uncle went, right?
हाँ,
तो why do you care?
अंकल को भाई बोलने में तुझे क्या था?
अंकल को भाई क्यों बोलोगे? अंकल पिता समान होते हैं, उतनी इज्जत लायक आप लोग हैं नहीं। जैसी आप हरकतें कर रही हैं आंटी, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड। आप बस आपकी एज की वजह से इनिशियली टू आई नेवर सेड एनीथिंग। इफ यू वुड रिमेंबर, आई नेवर सेड एनीथिंग।
नीचे पूड़ियां नहीं बनाई ना तो तू इज्जतदार हो जाता है। अगर नीचे तू पूड़ियां बना के आई है ना तो तू कोठे वाली कंजरी। बस ये अगर मगर चलेगा।
ओके, लीव।
Okay, so there's this. So basically, it's a PG, and there's this girl who stays there, and there is this PG auntie. So PG aunties typically have a lot of problems in life. They're always rude. They're always
Usually
mean.
they are like, but this PG auntie, her English's vocab is amazing. I mean, she sounds very educated. And
Yeah, she's
yeah,
educated, but she still has problem. Like somebody, like, probably, see, I have stayed in PGs in Bangalore, and like the owner is someone who doesn't know English well, and
yeah.
you know is someone like Gaurama or somebody. So
Who's Gaurama?
like, I'm just saying
Okay,
PG auntie,
okay.
like Gaurama or somebody, like somebody who's very rooted and doesn't speak much of English, but then this lady is like very
Yeah,
well
she looks
spoken.
very well educated, and except for the part that she actually called her mom.
Dash.
Yeah. Beep. You know the
Beep,
that.
beep.
Okay.
She called her mom Dash, and so basically, what happens in the entire reel is that she comes to her PG, and the PG owner comes to the PG, and she starts blasting the girl that, okay, you made my husband pay for your hair color.
And your mom said.
Yeah, and your mom's hair color. Yeah, exactly. So she says that. Now I don't know, like, how did she get to know that she colored her hair in Sikkim? Okay.
Yeah. She was saying कि सिक्किम में बात गंगा की आई है.
Yeah.
And the fact that the auntie also said, did Ajay come with you?
Hmm.
So is that the husband went with
Yeah,
her?
yeah. I think that's her husband. So basically, what she's trying to say is that she and the owner and her husband, they both went to Sikkim, and basically she also followed them to Sikkim. So there is something, दाल में कुछ काला है, जरूर काला है, क्योंकि वो उनके
थोड़ी दाल भी काली है.
क्योंकि वो लोग वो सिक्किम कैसे पहुंच गए? ठीक है, आपके पीजी ओनर और उनके हस्बैंड गए हैं, तो आप क्यों चले गए हैं वहां पे?
True.
सो
Coincidence.
हाँ, लॉट ऑफ कोइंसिडेंस। एंड एक और कोइंसिडेंस वो ये बोलती है कि वहां पे जाके उन्होंने बाल कलर करवाए और उनके हस्बैंड अजय से
अच्छा,
जीपे
100
करवाए,
रुपए.
जीपे
अच्छा,
करवाए।
हाँ.
हाँ, सो
Coincidentally, he was in the same part, right? Yeah.
नो, वो सेम पार्लर में नहीं था, वो उसने
She
जी
might
पे
have
करवाया.
just called कि हाँ, I
हाँ, मैं
need
जी
some
पे.
money. Could you please pay the amount to them? I mean, PG owners से पैसा मांग रही है वो.
वो लोग हमसे पैसे
Imagine
हड़पने के लिए
हड़पते
बैठे
हैं
हैं.
कि उससे गंदे से खाने के लिए चाट लेंगे महीने में, लेकिन
Yes, I know the
1800
message you send with the rent for this month. Seriously. The my owner sent me one when I was in
हमने
office.
उनसे बाल रंगा लिए.
बोल देना कि मैं पार्लर में बाल रंगा रही हूँ.
And
जी
you
पे कर.
glow. Okay, glow hairs.
जी पे कर दो.
कड़ी अंकल थोड़ा टाइट चल रहा है, आधा आधा वो सैलरी तो आपके रेंट पे चला जाए.
And then
More
she
than
said, हाँ,
50%, I think 75% of the salary goes on rent.
that's pathetic. Pathetic state of rent, PG rentals in Bangalore. So basically, a PG owner is someone who is a scavenger when it comes to money, and he will
Yeah.
take away all your money. He might ask you to sell your kidney also, but then take away money from you. But then this girl, we should give it to her.
Wow, yeah.
Very talented that she went to color her hair, that also while she was on a holiday with her mom, and she got all of that reimbursed from the PG owner, and that was great.
Then what did the woman say at last? पूरियां तल में.
हाँ, तू पूरियां तल के आई है, तू
I
नीचे
didn't
पूरियां तल
understand
के
that
आई है.
part.
हाँ, तो why, I mean, like, see, did she go before that lady came home, did she go to their house and do some cooking, shooking?
Maybe there was some occasion.
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Puri and sagu. Is it called sagu?
Yeah,
Puri and
yeah,
sagu.
puri and sagu. I'm sure she was making some puris in her PG owner's home.
हाँ,
Oh,
पूरी तल रही है.
okay. So basically, she got her hair colored for part-time cooking. So she was doing a part-time cooking job at the PG owner's house, and she decided to take that money and color her hair.
I mean, it's always a woman hitting on women.
Yes,
Nobody is blaming Ajay. अजय
Ajay,
को पकड़ो, उनको पूछो भाई क्यों किया तुमने.
Ajay the lover boy. Ajay.
Love uncle. Seriously.
And the person literally come. I was so excited to see the comment section because I am the kind of person जो कुछ भी खराब से खराब I always
I
open the
will
comment
read the
section.
comment
So just check.
Yeah.
I'm the only one.
And I
hating.
like that comment that one person has
Yes,
written तुझे
yes.
भाई बोल के खत्म करना था, but
इतना लंबा क्यों खींचा. But she was like, अंकल को भाई क्यों बोलूंगी, वो तो पिता समान.
अगर पिताजी बोल देते.
नहीं, but that PG owner didn't wanted to hear पिताजी. She was like, तू बोल, अजय तेरा राखी brother है, तू बोल. She's saying
Yeah,
that.
but Pitaji is right. I don't.
I think she should, but she's still
Yeah.
feeling very insecure until she calls him a brother. Because I think in India they have this thing, तू भाई बोल दे, तू राखी बांध दे. अरे
Yeah,
feeling नहीं है तो राखी क्यों
Yeah,
बांधूंगी?
true.
See, for example, if I'm looking at somebody romantically and someone is forcing me to tie rakhi to him, that is such a
That's
bad.
a disrespect to the
Yeah.
tradition. Yeah.
Yes. And I have seen that in school also. I don't know whether it used to
Yeah,
happen
it's-
during your school
yeah,
days.
it was
It
If
was
a
from an all girls
Teachers-
school, so I did not
I
have.
have Korean teachers are like, you should tie Rakhi. sir."
all Indians are my brothers and
Brothers and
sisters.
sisters, yeah.
But behind them it's like assembly line, all brothers are my. So I'm sorry.
Hmm.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters except
Yeah.
this from that bench, this from this.
Yeah, true.
So basically, I have experienced that when I used to go to school. That whenever a girl is tired of a guy stalking her, a classmate stalking her, dropping. I mean, like just following her till her house and all that. That used to happen in my generation. And when those kind of things used to happen, she found a solution. Every girl found just one solution.
Rakhi.
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 So everyone, the girl used to go and tie him Rakhi, and from that day, something magically used to change. The guy would never stalk her after that.
Just the respect to the
People have for Rakhi. So I think that's what she's trying to do.
Yeah, yeah. Rakhi Band. Rakhi Band.
बोल अजय तेरा राखी
Rakhi
ब्रदर
brother.
है.
First relationship.
You
मैं
have
Rakhi
to
brother
say.
क्यों बोलूं, मेरे पिता समान.
And then why did she go to their house if the wife has such problems, such
Talk
insecurity?
with your husband. Talk to him that actually what happened. If you can't blame just one person and think your own perspective. You should clear everything out. And I did not like that you called out names to the girl. I mean, being a woman, you are
Hmm.
hitting on the other woman. Problem तुम्हारे मर्द में भी हो सकती है.
Yeah, of course.
You never know.
Yeah, obviously, if he had said कि hair color के पैसे नहीं दूंगा, everything would have come to an end. Why didn't he say that? वो भी
Yeah.
सिक्किम में आंटी आपके साथ जाने
बच्चा
के
तो
बाद
नहीं है वो.
उन्होंने
Yeah.
उसके हेयर कलर के पैसे दे दिए.
He's in
And
Ajay
he
is
could
in the
have said,
kid.
no, that I'm busy with my wife.
हाँ,
Best reply.
best
I'm busy with
response.
my wife.
But Mr. Ajay had other plans.
And पहाड़ों में network नहीं मिलता ना, so how can he would have easily replied?
Nice.
But
Wow.
Mr. Ajay had other plans. He wanted to impress
Actually,
his
Rangarelia
potential future
Ah.
mother-in-law by paying for her hair color.
Not mother in
Yeah,
also.
he also
Yeah,
has
I mean,
a
he-
was
mother.
for his mother.
Yeah, so I'm sure he was trying to impress her also. So he had other plans.
But she won't be his sasu ma. He would, it's like she would be
Friends.
his sasu friend or sasu.
Remember that Daku Maharaj ka movie where you told me that? Can you tell that again?
Balaya. There was a clip about Balaya.
Yeah, there is some not from Daku Maharaj.
It's from another movie, but from that exact hero, that
Yeah.
Dippity.
Yeah, that Uncle Ji. Sorry, but you might kill me for calling you uncle. See, basically, the hero, his age is obviously I think 50 to 60, right? So his mother, who played the role of his mother, was around in 30s. Seriously, 30 to 35, and the girl who first like he was like took her to shows. His mother, she was like
45 or something.
no,
Yeah, she was older than the
yeah,
lady
older than
who's
the
playing his
mother-in-law. It was like
mom.
around
Yeah.
40.
Oh, yeah.
So I just didn't understand their
Concept of
Yeah.
teaching.
concept of casting actually.
Concept of
His
casting.
mother really looked like his daughter. Seriously. I don't remember the exact line, but
हम लोग बहुत off topic drag.
Off track चले गए हैं. Let's come back to let's come back to the track. Okay, so now coming back to the story, she has made puris. Now, why did she go to his house if his wife has such a lot of problem? Now she's trying to shoo her away, saying that okay, आप चले जाओ, आप starting से ये कर रहे हो, तो आपको starting से
Leave the PG. Yes,
हाँ,
yes.
आपको स्टार्टिंग से पता है वो अपने हस्बैंड को लेके इनसिक्योर्ड है, तो आप उनके घर में जाके पूरियां क्यों बना रहे हो?
अंकल जी का छुप छुप के देखना है.
मिस्टर अजय, the deadly debonair.
Because I will never go to my PG auntie's house to make peace.
Yeah, who will do
That's
that?
not our job.
Like, if I see my, when I used to live in PGs, if I see my PG auntie, I would just change directions. I just don't want to meet her. I don't want to ruin
Yeah.
my day
Yeah,
by looking
same.
at her. So I think most of us are like that, but then I don't know. Things are very complicated here.
That
This, yeah, situation is tricky. Okay.
Okay, so that's it. If
That's
God
it. Please,
wants
please
to-
comment on the
Yeah.
video. What do you guys think? What would have happened? And hair color. Please pay for my hair color.
I
Bye.
wanted to know what color she dyed.
Yeah, I'm sure it's like maybe burgundy or something. But I didn't see that girl's hair color. I wanted to
I
see.
wanted to see her face.
Yeah.
Even
With the
me.
party's face.
No, actually, this whole video is like she's turned on the camera because she's come to attack her.
Yeah.
So, and she's just kept it on like this. So, we are not able to see anything. Yeah. But the mystery prevails. So, on the comment section, please let us know what do you think.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Good night, Ajay ji.
What's LGG?
Ajay ji.
Ajay ji.
Good night, Ajay ji. Ajay uncle, good night.
Sweet dreams.
पार्लर
अब-
जाके फोन करूंगी.
Scanner भेज दूंगी.
Scanner भेज दूंगी. Please, please, please. I need to color my hair. Pranam.